You ready? Alright. Look in the mind of a maniac. Stay with that shit, cop back. Lose my fucking mind. It's been gone a fucking long time ago. Came out the womb of a treacherous chain, but don't know which way to turn. But I know I'm bringing danger. These numbers of evil spirits that's lurking around me, this unquestionable. Better get the fuck around me. Something wrong. Better call that hearse when I come through. Never know what I'm going through. Who knew I could be that dude in the shadows waiting on you? We call him faceless, nigga. I thought that you knew, and so that's always lost. The rebel without a cause. Cock that hammer, let it burst. Just one more for the boss. Land of the lost at any cost. Just leave me be. Blaze the weed if you value the breeze. Better watch your step, walking in the path of a maniac. Just ask my brother Wayne, see, he'll tell you that. Got the blade tucked in the backpack, better step back, don't wanna see that, better down for the fuck.